Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Indian Review. Today I will explain the full movie of Malayalam language action thriller film Ayyappanam Kosham, released in 2020, directed by our beloved Sachi, who got demised in a year back. May her soul rest in peace, sir. And the film starring main lead Prithviraj Sukumar and a Biju Menon. Movie begins with the Prithviraj as a Koshi and ex Havaldar getting into trouble as Biju Menon as S.I. Ayyappan arrests Koshi for carrying alcohol in no alcohol zone. After taking Koshi to the police station, the officers were startled to see the name of well-known political and media personalities on the contact list of Koshi's mobile and reveals himself to be the son of Korean John and influential Lex Havaldar from Indian Army. After knowing his influence, Ayyappan decides to go easy on him. Then Koshi asks Ayyappan to let him return home for 5 days to spend Christmas and promises to return for any jail sentence. But Ayyappan refuses, stating that he has been booked under non-bailable sections. Later, Koshi fakes a meltdown and asks for some alcohol as he is in addict. Ayyappan pours him some from the stock with the help of a lady constable, while Koshi secretly records this on his mobile phone. After 12 days, Koshi gets bail on condition that he has to sign once a week. Once after release, he uses the video footage to get S.I. Ayyappan and lady constable suspended for breaking prohibition. Ayyappan is arrested while the next day he is brought out on bail by circle inspector by making a compromise with Koshi's friend MLA George that Koshi can sign for all future bail conditions at the same time, in return for not providing original video evidence at the enquiry against Ayyappan. Ayyappan is insulted by the enquiry commission at DSP office and his job is lost. Koshi meets him outside the DSP office, they both challenge one another and Ayyappan savagely beats a small time group Kuttamani in front of Koshi and demolishes Kuttamani's illegal building. Koshi, visibly horrified at Ayyappan raining down fury on Kuttamani and learns about Ayyappan's story from CI. He finds out that at 25 years old, Ayyappan had killed 13 men and had a nickname Mundura Madan, which means Vampire of Mundur. Frustrated Koshi, while returning to Attapadi, Koshi's driver is arrested and his car is seized, left without mobile, purse and any other options. Koshi starts to walk to Attapadi, then Ayyappan picks him up on his bike and both taunt each other with death threats. Then Koshi's phone is illegally given to Ayyappan by young constable. Ayyappan calls Koshi's dad Kurian and tells that his son will be in grave danger soon. Hearing about this, Kurian sends Koshi's cousins to aid him and secretly sends some goons for his son's safety. The next day, Koshi and Ayyappan fight inside police station and CI stops the fight. Then CI sends 2 policemen to guard Koshi all time, but those policemen inform Ayyappan about Koshi's goons and Ayyappan thrashes them blue and black. Then Koshi's dad uses his influence to get an arrest warrant for Ayyappan's wife as she was affiliated with Miost organization years ago. Koshi visits his home and asks his dad to stop interfering in their tussle, and Koshi's wife reminds Koshi to end this issue at once. Koshi realizes that peace of mind of his family is important than his ego and decides to end this issue peacefully. Ayyappan, with the help of pastor, cousin and lawyers, he frames a plan to save Ayyappan's job. While Koshi is away to help Ayyappan, the arrest warrant arrives and Ayyappan refuses to surrender his wife. This forces them to flee from Attapadi. Ayyappan drops her and his son to safety, but police reach there and arrest her before Ayyappan's eyes. Since Koshi is not in Attapadi, Ayyappan goes to Koshi's house to find him. But after a brief showdown with Korean, Ayyappan heads back to confront Koshi. But Koshi demolishes Ayyappan's house as a revenge for the showdown by Ayyappan at Koshi's house, and Ayyappan bursts down Koshi's car with gunpowder. But both of them refuses to lodge complaint on one another, and monitoring the situation, police protection is been assigned to Koshi. Korean follows Ayyappan and tells Koshi that he will kill Ayyappan within 24 hours. Then Koshi informs police that his dad is the one who sent goons to kill Ayyappan earlier. Korean is arrested and imprisoned. Then Ayyappan finally challenges Koshi, and Koshi suggests an alternative to have showdown beyond the jurisdiction of Kerala police. Next day, both face off in a duel, but Ayyappan locks Koshi in a bear grip. In this scene, the background music is just terrific, which just sticks to our mind. Then the two are separated by the police when circle inspector arrives just in time. Ayyappan agrees to this after an epic showdown of exchanging blows, bear grips and tossing each other over a puddle of water. The DSP, CI and the rest of the police who were interestingly watching the fight intervene just when it seems that Ayyappan is going to kill Koshi and pull them apart. The circle inspector tells Ayyappan that Koshi framed himself as an alcohol addict and Ayyappan had then poured alcohol for medical emergency to keep Koshi's blood alcohol level as required for proper functioning. This has resulted in all charges against Ayyappan being dropped and him being reinstated to the police force. Also, the IG of police cancelled Kannamma's arrest. Ayyappan is brought to the police station and is imprisoned for a day till his rejoining order arrives. A year later, Ayyappan is transferred upon his request to Kattappana, after which he visits Koshi and shakes hands with him. And the film's Telugu language remake is under production, where we can see power star Pawan Kalyan as a Ayyappan and Rana Daggubati as a Koshi. Director Sachi is the man behind powerful scripts. Mass realistic action scenes, terrific performance from the lead roles and minor roles, punch dialogues, excellent BGM and making are the highlights of the movie. Highly recommending for you to watch, streaming on Amazon Prime. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and share your friends. I always try to bring new content videos for you guys. Please remember to subscribe, it's just one click but help us lot in creating new content videos. Follow us on Instagram for every movie updates. Thank you, take care.